It happened in just a few weeks. Our own greed did us in. And before we knew it, the dollar flu spread like wildfire. A few weeks. That's how long it took for a civilization to collapse.
The governor of New York has asked for federal help as city services are collapsing.
Manhattan was being torn apart. So they locked it down. Or tried. But it was already too late.
The government is resorting to drastic measures to tackle the crisis.
We will not stand idly by while our great country crumbles. Decisive measures must be employed. That is why the President today has decided to invoke Directive 51.
So they finally activated us. The Strategic Homeland Division. An elite group of embedded agents. We walk among you. We are you. Until we are activated. Then we leave everything behind to answer the call. When all else fails, we are the last resort, the last line of defense. And we will give our lives to save what remains.
Welcome, Agent Candidate, to your virtual pre-testing session. This simulation will assess your SHD recruit potential. As your division recruiter, I will be evaluating your performance today. And we'll start with body awareness and basic movement. Show me what you got. Excellent. Now, let's put that into some context. Complete the obstacle course. Well done. Let's move on to the next module. Agents must maintain expert-level proficiency with a wide variety of small arms. Good. Let's increase the range a bit. Now let's see you deal with moving targets. Good shot. Let's see how you perform with a sniper rifle. Excellent. I've marked you as Go for marksmanship. The effect of a well-placed grenade on multiple targets shouldn't be underestimated. Marksmanship module. Good job so far, candidate. In this next module, we'll assess cover tactics and basic combat skills. Whenever possible, a smart agent will move from cover to cover to outmaneuver and flank the enemy. Good. Now let's increase the stress level a bit. Your objective is to reach the end of the corridor and destroy the hostile turret. And don't get killed. You must learn to anticipate the time windows when the turret stops firing. These will be your opportunity to counterattack or advance to another cover. And that concludes the cover tactics module. Well done. If a hostile gets too close, you need to whack them hard with whatever you got to push them away. Good. Okay, candidate. This last module will assess your intuitive use of some of the classified technology fielded by actual agents. You have two primary shade tech devices at your disposal. Employ these to eliminate the enemy.
What is this? Oh my god! Scope.
The most powerful tech in your arsenal is your signature device. Deploy it to turn the table on your enemy.
Holy shit! Bastards!
Good. Demonstrate to me how you handle yourself in a combat situation, with all the weapons and devices at your disposal.
Signature ability ready.
Holy shit! Almost too easy. Bastards!
Good instincts, Agent Candidate. Stellar performance, Candidate. That concludes the final pre-testing session. I'm happy to confirm that you've been accepted as an agent recruit. Now the training begins in earnest, and then let's hope we're never activated.
Activated. Confirm identity.
Agent, this is Astrid Meyer, Acting Section Chief, Lower Manhattan. Welcome aboard. As you can see, the situation is fast going south. It now falls on us in the division to prevent a total societal collapse. We're it, Agent. We want to extract a VIP named Angela Chan from Chinatown. She's a local community leader deemed vital to the rebuilding effort to come. Agent Kelly is already at the Spring Blossom restaurant. Make contact with her and get Angela Chan to safety. Good luck. Meyer out.
Please help us!
Get in cover. We'll deal with this. Wasted. Welcome to your funeral, pal.
Thank you.
What's your status, Agent?
It's crazy. I just saw a JTF soldier shot dead.
Yeah, the JTF has been overwhelmed. We're needed. Watch yourself.
What is this? Almost too easy. Take him down. Come on, let's roll. Shit. You bastard. Here we go. We're gonna watch them bleed. Gotta load up. Paper that.
The longer we sit on our asses, the more dangerous it gets.
We will move, Kevin, as soon as Agent Kelly's partner shows up.
But I can help with the escort.
You are not a trained professional. This is real. It's not some movie. Speak of the devil. Welcome to the Spring Blossom Restaurant. I'm Angela Chan, and this is my nephew, Kevin.
I'm Kelly. Good to see you. You've been briefed, right?
Chief Meyer updated me. We're getting Mrs. Chan out of here?
Mrs. Chan refuses to leave without her people. We're taking all of them to the checkpoint. Hold here while we clear the way.
Very well.
I should go with them.
No, Kevin. Let the agents do their jobs. I need you with us.
But...
Enough. Let's make sure everybody is ready to leave when Agent Kelly gives the all clear.
The JTF is sending trucks to the Manhattan Bridge checkpoint. That's where we're taking Mrs. Chan and her little flock. In the bush for a minute. But first, we must clear the way of any gun-happy numbnuts looking to crash the party.
Yeah! Just shoot him!
Take them down! To all agents, be advised that the JTF has lost control of several checkpoints across Midtown. We now have bad guys operating with impunity in some areas. Be careful.
Signature ability ready.
Goddamn! Bring it on!
I need some cover! Changing position!
Bingo! What is this? Hey, I'm gonna make you bleed.
Bullseye!
Don't give him breathing room. God damn it!
Taking cover! Moving to cover!
Sweet!
Come at me, dipwad! Clear!
They got you, Cave! They got the drop on us! This is all FUBAR! We've been begging for reinforcements for 2 hours! These assholes think they can scare me? Take them out!
Got them!
Don't try my patience, fool!
No visual here!
Goddamn punks. Yeah, this is Kelly. The way is clear. Get going. I could kill for a foamy latte right now. What the hell? Here comes our flock.
Thank you.
We're not out of the woods just yet. Get your people inside and find cover.
There's more of them coming!
Find some cover.
Hit him!
Here we go!
This should be easy.
You're surrounded, loser! You're a dead man! Yeah! I see you! Stay in cover!
Aim for the weak
Now
spots.
we do the same! Let's move!
This should be easy. Bring it on.
You can't stand up to me! Do it! Get this! Bingo! Crap! Why won't that bastard die? Bingo! I don't believe it! Crap!
To all agents. The situation in Midtown is deteriorating fast. We are to regroup and link up with the JTF units at Camp Hudson.
Huh. I need a chopper, stat.
I'll see what I can do, ma'am.
We owe you our lives. What you did...
Just doing our job, ma'am.
Now can I go?
Kevin, I'm sure Gabrielle is safe.
Go where?
My girlfriend is a nurse at the Trinity Church Field Hospital. I want to make sure she's okay.
Trinity Church? I know a doctor there, Emil. He'd let me know if there was any trouble, and I haven't heard from him.
But...
Your job now is to protect your people here, Kevin. If there's any danger to the hospital, me and my colleague will deal with it. That's our job. And we're pretty damn good at it. Looks like our ride is here. We make a good team! Stock up on ammo and essentials and come find me at the command tent when you're ready. I want a sit rep from the JTF.